Telly is a dating app that exclusively matches local people via random video chat. It's Tinder meets Omegle. Think of it like virtual speed dating in your local community. Just like any dating app, set your location, hold down the search button on the home screen, and connect with a live and local person on the other end. Replace endlessly swiping profiles with having real conversations with real people. Each call features a 60-second minimum duration, so everyone gets a chance to make a great first impression. You can use fun filters, and Telly even suggests icebreakers to help conversations along, many of which will feature local topics to help build a sense of community. After 1 minute is reached, you now have a few choices. If you'd like to keep talking, simply keep talking. If you'd like to say goodbye, hold the screen down, and match with people in the mode we're all familiar with. Once a match is made, Telly uses the usual features to continue talking. Because safety is our top priority, Telly will verify and authenticate users before joining the platform. It will also feature an emergency icon in the corner of your screen to immediately leave a call even if the minimum time isn't up. The reported video will be reviewed by our team of moderators, and if a person is found to be acting inappropriately, they'll be permanently banned from the platform. Telly is a space for interesting, positive, and healthy conversations. They'll help you find someone who's right for you and right by you. We hope you enjoyed this demonstration. If you want to help us make this app, you can do so by supporting us on Kickstarter. We offer many collaborative and interactive rewards, like the chance to nickname our next software version, or even hide an Easter egg within the app. If you share this Kickstarter with friends, all of you will receive ad-free premium subscriptions. We're also offering beta testing and focus group access so that we can build this app together. Telly. Stop swiping, start dating.